sports. Doon tayo magaling, doon ang Pilipino magaling. Kapag pinag-usapan na yung pagtatanggol sa pamilya, ang Pilipino hindi aatras sa kahit anong laban. And so kayo, at an early age, we want to instill to you that you're doing this for God and family. Kaya natin gustong turuan kayo at an early age na mag-excel sa iba't ibang combat sports. Kailangan maging malinaw sa inyo kung bakit nyo gagawin ito. And gusto mong maging malinaw sa inyo na kaya gusto natin ito ang i-pursue ninyo is because number one, it's about you representing your family and your country someday. And number two, you can also promote self-defense. And number three, naniniwala kami na kayo din yung magiging future champions ng ating bansa. Always remember, guys, do not lose hope in God and in your family. Always remember that you can do all things through Christ who gives you strength.